guys, hey, just going to do a quick review. First of all, go to exiticket.com, do this SOL review for me, multiple choice. And the homework that you were given on Wednesday, check your even answers right here. If you have any questions and not quite sure, then make sure you check with each other. But do that quietly. How do we add polynomials? Well, line up like terms and combine like terms. Do not change what the variable looks like. If it's an x squared, your answer is an x squared. Don't forget that. Nothing changes. Well, let's practice one. Guys, if you want to use the models down here and actually draw the squares and that's fine. We put 3 there, 4 and 5, 3x, 1, 2, and 3, and negative 2, 1, 2. We're going to add to that negative 2x squared and minus 2x. Plus 1. Now, in the drawing, you need to understand what the model looks like and be able to relate to that. But in the drawing, I'm just going to make the pieces this way. And there again, this is just making something easy for me to look at. Minus 2, so negative 1, negative 1. Then I put the other one down, negative x squared, minus 2x, plus 1. Now I'm going to add those like terms together. Don't forget, folks, that x squared and negative x squared, their opposites or inverses, they add to 0, so they cancel each other out. I do that the same with my x's. And then what do I have left is my answer. Oh, I forgot. I do that with one of the ones as well. So I end up with 3x squared plus x minus 1 being my answer. That's all there is to it. So we're going to go to the next page here. How do we subtract polynomials? The exact same way, but you do one thing different. Distribute by negative 1 to all terms behind the subtraction sign. Then do it like we just did and combine like terms. Well, let's practice one of those real quick. So I put my 2x squared up here. Line first is the exact same, 3x minus 2. Now, I'm going to distribute that negative 1. So that becomes positive 2x. That becomes positive 4x and negative 1. And I make the model of that. So positive 2x squared. 2x squared. 1, 2. Plus 4x. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And minus 1. There again. That's the actual model. Your drawing can just be the separate pieces. That's fine with me. And then I check to see if I have any inverses, any negatives here, opposites. So let's see, x squareds, they're all positive x squareds. My x's are all positive, and my ones are all negative. So I get my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4x squared. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 x and minus 3. Okay? So, where the practice tells you to make the drawing, make the drawings. If you don't need to, later on, then don't worry about them, just go on. So what I want you to do right now during this period is go to IXL.com, go to Z4, and subtract polynomials, and you need to do at least 20 problems for full credit. You must draw the first 5. There's paper I'll provide for you to draw on. Draw those first 5. When you have when you've completed it, raise your hand and we'll check it off. And after that, you can continue doing some more, and we'll leave it at that. Next period, when you come in 4th period, you'll be taking your test or your quiz on adding and subtracting polynomials. We'll see you 4th.